The special court at Merces on Friday continued hearing the arguments over the bail application filed by Zenito Cardozo in Rama Kankonkar attempt to murder case. The public prosecutor opposed the bail application, saying that there is no relevant change of circumstance from the last dismissal of his bail application, even though the charge sheet is filed. But this is preliminary charge sheet and there are requirement of further investigation, and a supplementary charge sheet will also be filed in due time. Replying to the contentions of public prosecutor, counsel representing Zenito Cardozo contended that Rama Kankonkar has been discharged from GMC for around 1 month now, but he has never named Zenito Cardozo in his statement. Zenito's counsel also contended that his sentence and conviction in Sridhar culpable homicide not amounting to murder case, the sentence and conviction have been stayed by the Supreme Court and appeal has been admitted. Assisting the public prosecutor, counsel representing Rama Kankonkar as intervener contended that though Rama Kankonkar has not named Zenito Cardozo, he need not to know that who was the person behind the conspiracy over attack on him. It is the duty of investigator and the police to name the real conspirator, which has been done by Panjim police as naming Zenito Cardozo as main conspirator. Hence, bail should not be granted at this point of time. After concluding the hearing the arguments over Zenito's bail plea, the court has now reserved the order for 4th December.
It is for the police to decide. I am just a victim and I am the one who has suffered it. I am here to assist the court and cooperate further also. So all in all, we have vehemently opposed it, and I hope he doesn't get the bail. I hope investigation is done thoroughly, further investigation is also done thoroughly, and yes, I hope the bail is rejected and we get some sort of justice.
When is the next date? What is the final date for this?
The next date has been given on the 4th of December.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.